Deep in the shadows, a mystery voice is calling out my name. As I'm burning in the flames, I'm burning in fire. 'Cause I have sinned in every way, like a thief in the night. It's going to take my life away. Hush, don't make another sound. Don't let them hear. Don't say another word. Just don't. Please, just do what you've been told. Don't let them take control. Let's get out of the dark unnoticed. Never enough, though. It's time to carry on out of the shadows into the light where it begun. I'm not afraid, I will push till the end. You will bow down and suffocate. No, I won't hesitate. Just do what you've been told. Don't let them take control. Let's get out of the dark